Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and healthy. I am going to share a nice drawing video with you. By watching this tutorial from beginning to end, you will learn how to draw this picture. You just follow me. I want you to do the same. After watching the drawing tutorial, you must try to draw at home. For more details information related to drawing, you can visit my website where I will give you many resources. Dear viewers, it is very easy to draw shoes picture. What kind of benefit can you get by drawing this kind of picture? Number 1, you can upload this image to various print-on-demand site and generate lot of sale from there. This design are very useful for t-shirt. You can use this design in your t-shirt. Next, I will teach you how to upload this design to different online marketplace. I need to create a complete video tutorial for that. I will upload the video to my YouTube channel soon. To get the video easily, subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get the video by notification as soon as the video is uploaded. I use a permanent marker to draw this image. You can also use this type of marker, or you can use marker of your choice. The drawing of upper part of this figure is almost finished. Now we are drawing the other part. Now we will draw other side including flower petals. Viewers, request to you watch the video again and again if you do not understand the video once. The drawing of the upper part is almost finished. Now I will draw the desired part of the heart of that lower jute. Drawing the bottom part can be little difficult for you, so take good care. After watching this drawing tutorial, if you practice sitting at your home, it will be very easy for you to draw. Please let me know how you like the video by commenting and what kind of video you need. I will try to post that kind of video to you. This channel is brand new, so you will support me. Your support is very much needed. That's why you must stay with me by subscribing to my channel. I will give the details related to drawing this picture in the description box, from where you will collect the information you needed. So friend, today video is so far. I hope like the video, and I will try to give more video tutorial later. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial. Thank you.